Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Plater and preparing your environment. Close World of Warcraft, then use an add-on manager or manually drop the Plater folder into retail/interface/add-ons. Once done, launch the game, open the add-ons menu on the character select screen, and enable Plater. Make sure to reload the UI before entering a zone. This ensures Plater loads its default profiles. You're now ready to open Plater's main configuration panel and begin the first setup steps for nameplates and profiles. Next, configure core settings and add scripts that tailor Plater to your playstyle. Pick or create a profile, decide if the settings stay per character or are shared. Then adjust global spacing, alpha, scale, and target indicators so nameplates are readable in combat. Once comfortable, import community scripts or write small scripts to show auras, highlight casts, and display spell timers. Remember to test these changes in a live zone and tweak trigger conditions. This prevents clutter and improves performance. Finish by polishing and thoroughly testing your setup. Enter combat and raids to verify visibility, spacing, and script triggers. Use Plater's test mode for controlled checks. Once satisfied, save and export your profile so you have a backup before making major changes. If a custom script or layout causes errors, disable other nameplate add-ons to rule out conflicts, then reload the UI. If problems persist, reset the Plater profile and re-import your working export. This usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.